Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome, welcome, welcome. And to all the new subscribers that have come on board, I want to say special thank you, and also special thanks to all my subscribers that have been with me since the beginning of this journey. In this video, I will be making a face oil, and the ingredients I'll be using are as follows. Here I have some grapeseed oil, and grapeseed oil has a powerful antioxidant that helps the skin, and this antioxidant is called proanthocyanidine. Okay, and this helps to even out the skin tone if used on a consistent basis. Next, I have lavender essential oil. I've used lavender essential oils for many different things, but it's also good for the skin. And for the skin, it helps to regenerate skin cells. It helps treat spots, like if you have dark spots and things like that, it helps to treat that. And it also helps with aging skin. Okay. Next, I have fractionated coconut oil. Now, if you like to use coconut oil, it's good to use fractionated coconut oil, because what it does is no matter what temperature it's not going to harden, okay, when you put it in your mixture. And it's also a great moisturizer that leaves the skin feeling soft, and it won't clog your pores, and it works well with sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, fractionated coconut oil is good. Don't use those on the cold press oils that you get at the grocery store to use, because in certain temperatures it will harden, whereas fractionated coconut oil won't do that if you put it in your mixture. And to preserve the mixture, I will be using this preservative antioxidant from the brand Natura Bona. I did a video recently, about a month ago, about preservatives, and this one was, I spoke about this preservative here, and I will put a link of that video in the cards for you if you want to check that out. So let's get started with the mixing. All right, so I'll move these aside. So I got my ingredients here, and also the tools I'll be using. This is for my finished product here. I decided to use a roll-on container, but I would advise to use a container with like the dropper in it. I don't have any of those. I have to order some online, but for now, my mixture, since I'm just using it for myself, I'll be putting it in this container. And also, I recommend using a dark glass bottle instead of this clear one, but I don't mind using the clear one. But I would advise, if you're making it for yourself or whoever you want to make it for, to put it in a dark container. It's just better. Okay, and then I have a dropper here for my preservative. I'll put that on the side right there. Then I have a tiny little funnel, which I got at a website, www.creatingperfumes.com. I'll leave a link to that website in the description box below. And then I have a little teaspoon measuring spoon. All right, so let's begin. First, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. So I'm going to put the funnel on top, as you can see right there. Okay, and then I'll be just 1. Oh, this container is a 10 milliliter container. Okay, so I'm doing these measurements for 10 milliliters. So there's 1 teaspoon. Let's pour it in there. Okay, 1 teaspoon. Oops, gotta be careful not to drop it. Okay. And my grapeseed oil is from the brand Essential Depot. I'll leave a link to everything in the description box. So that's from Essential Depot, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. Let's get this container opened. Okay. 1 teaspoon. Okay. Let's pour it in there. Okay. Then next, after that, I will remove the funnel here because I'm going to use, just gonna the drops here. I'm gonna do 15 drops of lavender essential oil. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. And then, last but not least, I'm just gonna add 1 drop of the antioxidant preservative. You don't need a whole, this is only a 10 milliliter container. I just need 1 little tiny drop. I'm gonna use a whole lot because it doesn't require a whole lot. So, and this preservative is good for if you want to make lotions, if you want to make soaps, different other kinds of hair and beauty products. So that's 1 little tiny drop. That's it. Okay, that's enough for that. It's just a tiny batch. Again, if you're gonna make more, you have to go according to ratio, according to the amount. So then I'm gonna give it a good shake. Okay, give it a good shake. And this is ready to use. Yeah, and now I'll have to label this and make sure I don't get it mixed up with anything else I have. I'll just label it as my face oil. And this, how you want to use it is you want to make sure you wash your face is clean. Also make sure your hands is clean. And what you would do is apply some to your hands, to clean hands, and then you would apply the oil to your face. Okay, so since I'm using a roll-on, that's what I would do on a clean surface. Make sure when you're putting the oil on your face, put it on a clean surface, not on your face being dirty and stuff. Make sure you give face a good wash, and after that you would apply the oil. So yeah, I'll be using this oil to help treat. I have some spots and things on my skin and I want to clear up. And yeah, feel free to tweak this recipe and do it however you like to, with whatever oils agree with your skin. You know, so basically I use my base. The base was grapeseed oil, and then I have my fractionated coconut oil as my base, and then my essential oils, which is lavender. And you can use there's so many other oils out there that is essential for the skin, that's really good. And then I added a preservative. You know, I've been experimenting with preservatives and stuff like that in my mixtures, and so far so good. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment down below if you have any questions to ask, and share this video with a friend or family or whoever you'd like to. And thank you so much for stopping by. please look out for my future videos. I have a video coming up, Lord willing. I want to show you how to make a lotion. So a creamy lotion, nice and creamy for your skin. And so I look forward to doing that in the future. And also I have some other ideas. So if you wanna stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so that you will be notified of every single new upload that I have, because I have so many ideas for this channel. And also, I wanted to announce I have another channel as well. I have a short video showing you the name of the channel, and I think I posted a link of that channel in that description box of that video. And that channel is a craft channel, Crafty Eyes DIYs. That's my craft channel. I put out one video so far of a project that I did. And if you enjoy watching crafting, even if you may not be like experimenting with much of that, but if you like to watch or just support, feel free to subscribe to that channel as well. But again, thank you so much. And remember, aim for modesty, carry your beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. See you all in my next video. Later.